What you're seeing under the microscope are electroplated CBN sharpening stones, starting with the ultra-aggressive 160 grit, then moving up to the 220 grit. Right now all you can see is the spacing between them. At low grits, the surface looks jagged and raw, sharp spaced out cutting points that tear through steel fast. It's perfect for major reprofiling or resetting an edge. Now we're looking at the 220 grit. Not a ton of difference, but there is a size difference there. Now, compare that to the 1000 and 1200 grit size. These show a much tighter, more uniform abrasive field, like a textured shimmer. Still aggressive, but refined. Designed for precise edge refinement and consistent scratch patterns. Unlike cheaper stones, there's zero grit contamination here. The 160 side is truly 160, the 1200 is pure 1200. That means predictable results, and no hidden scratches when progressing through your grits. Compared to diamond, CBN might be slightly softer, but it's actually more durable under pressure. If you want clean, repeatable sharpening with long-lasting performance, this is it.